Stay with me if you wanna.
Hey guys, welcome to a quick showcase of the Padlock system for Unity, and I've done an update to this to add some bonus features so you can get hold of it on the Unity asset store, and I'll give you a quick intro of what's going on and what new things I've added. So I've tweaked the code to make it slightly more refined, and I've also added a custom PBR door which has got an animation. Is that you can play the game as you would normally. You can go up to one of the three spinners and they've got two different PBR padlocks, as you can see in the game. You can bring it up and you can see that the number above the door is 2421, and we can do that. It will open up the padlock with the animation, the padlock will disappear and the door will open. So this package includes all the things that you would expect, like I said, the PBR door, the padlock, the double combinations, the scripts to integrate this. You can change all the different codes and things that live on each of the objects, so you can have an infinite amount of objects which do something, and when you unlock the door you can choose to do something as a result of unlocking it. So based on the script, all I've got in this case is that the door animation script and I play an animation, but you can choose to have a different script which controls things. So you could add it to this script, say here, and you could have something that happens where you have your own door which animates, you have something else which controls the behavior of when you've got that code correct. So it includes all the textures, sounds and bonus items that I've added here, all the refinements to the code. And if you have any problems or you want to message me about anything that I've done and you want to take a look at any of my other great assets on the Unity store, go ahead and have a little look. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.